Okay, boys and girls, today we are going to talk about using a proof drawing when solving 3-digit subtraction. So what we have here is 424 minus 235. So go ahead and write that on your whiteboard now. Now when we're using a proof drawing, boys and girls, we are first going to use flats, then sticks, then stones. So how many flats or hundreds are in 424? That would be 4. 100, 200, 300, and 400. Our next step is to find out how many sticks, which are tens, in 424, which would be 20, and that would be 2 sticks, 10 and 20. Now we want to know how many stones, which are ones, in 424, which would be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next thing that we're going to do is we will do flats, sticks, and stones for 235. So how many hundreds are in 235? That would be 200. 100, 200. How many tens or sticks are in 235? That would be 30. 10, 20, and 30. How many ones are in 235? That would be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so now we have a proof drawing that is representing 424 minus 235. Notice that this is neatly arranged in rows and columns. My ones, my tens, and my hundreds. It's very important that you keep it nicely aligned, because if it looks confusing or if it is messy, it might be difficult when you're trying to solve your problem. So it's very important that when you're doing a proof drawing that it's very neat and so that you can understand it. So now when we look at this, we're going to start at the ones. What is 4 minus 5? Can we do that? No, that's impossible. If you have 4, you cannot take away 5. It's impossible. So now we must go next door and grab 10 more. And you're actually grabbing 10 ones. So now this 4 is 14, and it's 14 minus 5. And the way that we solve that is, well, first of all, we should know what 14 minus 5 is. We should automatically know that it's 9. But when you're solving it here, you're going to cross out 5 here, and you're going to cross off 5 here. That leaves us with 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Our next step is to go into the tens. Remember, we broke this apart, so this is really not here. So it's 10 minus 30. Boys and girls, can we do 10 minus 30? No, that is impossible. So now we're going to go next door and grab 10 more. And in this case, it is actually 10 tens, which equals 100. So now our problem becomes 110 minus 30. Now, if it's easier, you can think of it as 11 minus 3 and then add the 0. You could also cross off 3 here, cross off 3 here. That's 1, and those are 2, and that is 3. And we know now that it is 8 or 80. Now we're doing the hundreds. It's 300 minus 200. So we can cross these off and cross these off. And now we know that we have 100. And our answer is 189. And that is how we solve 3-digit subtraction with a proof drawing.